Hey guys, Dinovex here, and welcome to a new— Fuck you, Cortana! Fuck! Welcome back to a new video. This video I'm going to be showing you how to make an armor stand. Armor stands are actually really easy to make. You're only going to need a— well, number one— oh wait, I already have a crafting table. You're going to need sticks, which— 6 to be exact. And you're going to need a stone slab. And it's really simple to make. Once I show you guys, you guys are gonna be like, oh, that's how you make it. But it's actually really simple. So here's what you do. Place it on your crafting table, and you want to put the stone slab right in the middle, on the bottom. Then you're gonna do sticks all across the top. You're gonna put one stick right in the middle, and one stick on either side. And that's how you get the armor stand. And armor stands are really good because they could show your armor, like especially if they're if you have enchanted armor and it's really cool looking, especially chain armor, because we all know that you can't craft chain armor, so you have to get it from mobs. So let's say you work really hard to get the chain armor, then you gotta then you gotta fix it in the anvil, and then you gotta enchant it. It's gonna take forever, but if you want to showcase or display it, now you can. And it's really cool because armor stands are like sand and gravel, they fall. So like, let's say you're building a house and on the second floor you place an armor stand and you don't feel like breaking the armor stand to move it, but you want it in the same spot downstairs. Well, all you gotta do is break the floor. Simple. Like that. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. This is how you make an armor stand. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.